because living here for many years, we had a problem. And the real problem that we had was the Fondes Amandes Road being so narrow that two cars couldn't negotiate at the same time.
This is what I have to say. Let us forget fights and grudges and concentrate. Come, let us sit and try to relate.
This work here, as you see, it is very good because the river was eaten away. You understand, if you look at the road itself or furthermore, you will see how it's eroded.
I say that is the main foundation. So come, let us work hand in hand.
And so far, so good. The work is going all right. The only thing that is hamburging the work really is the weather. Sometimes we have plenty rain, and sometimes you can't work in the rain. But otherwise, I am very proud and I'm very happy for the job.